So now we got our raised bed soil. We're gonna go ahead and get ready to start putting this in. So I got my first layer down in here that I want to put in there, so the dirt don't just fall out of the bottom. We're gonna use raised bed soil. It's gonna take a lot. That's a lot. All-purpose garden soil. Ooh. One more all-purpose garden soil. Mixing up everything with my perlite, my cow manure. They call it compost. I call it cow dung. Either way it goes, it helps the plants. Smell like I'm in a cow pasture now. Get all those chunks out of here. And after we do that, we'll put that mulch on top of it. It'll hold the moisture in there longer. And then I got everything in. So now I'm going to go ahead and put me a little mulch over the top of this. And then I'm going to make my spaces and start putting the plants in. Oh yeah. First thing I'm putting in is my tomato plants. So we'll get them going. So that all the plants that I'm using now, we order them through Bonnie Bell. These are red cherry tomatoes, husky cherry tomatoes. Fell off. This is another tomato plant, heirloom tomato. So the roots are starting to grow together because they was in this little cup for a while. I don't want to break them, but I moved them around a little bit. Move these roots around a little bit. This is growing good. So these two on the front is the husky cherry, and those are the heirlooms. Okay. So now I'm going to put in the red bell pepper. This is a sweet pepper. And this is a red bell pepper. This is a sweet pepper. So I'm going to put two of those in. So they're going to go simultaneous to each other. Wow, that's a lot of them. This is the same exact pepper that I just put over there. Literally, these peppers already started blooming. They're in the cup. Just look how that plant has got the blooms coming in it already. They will have peppers on them very soon. See, I got these a little bit further apart, those a little bit further apart, but I can put one right here, one right here.
Okay.
Right in there.
Yes.
Man, it's loose.
Butternut squash.
Yep.